guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In this video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your eastwestbank.com account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Firstly, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. After opening up the web browser, on your search engine type in www.eastwestbank.com. After the home page of the eastwestbank.com fully opens up on your screen, you'll see a small tab for you to log into the eastwestbank.com on the right hand corner of the screen. On that tab, click on the Forgot Password option. After you click on the Forgot Password option, another tab will open up on your screen where you will have to verify your identity. To verify your identity, enter your username here, your date of birth here, and select the type of ID you have here. And then, after you made sure that you filled all your credentials correctly, click on Continue. After you click on Continue, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be directed to another page which will guide you to reset your password. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on your eastwestbank.com account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.